trying to do the sales and go up front, and things are getting crazy back here. I can't find the center of the wheel, and I don't want to look because I'm trying to watch to make sure that you're okay.
So what are you doing, honey?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm painting with black fingernail polish my husband's wheel so that he knows where the center is when he's out sailing me around.
Now, isn't she a sweetheart?
Because I always wanted to know which side is up.
She does good work, too. She's always looking out for me.
You won't let me paint your nails, so I figure I best well paint your steering wheel.
Okay. Anything you want to say to anybody, sweetheart?
I miss everybody. I miss Kelly and Scotty the most, and I miss my brothers, and I miss Mom and Dad, and I miss everybody.
Aw.
Love ya.
I'm sure they miss you too. That's all for now.